write today's date beta 28/10/2020, subject social studies. Okay beta, now take out your workbook beta. We have completed in our block 10. First I did our reader children. First I have explained you the reader. So now we are doing our workbook together beta. Today we are going to do S3 and S4 together. S3 is impact of the British rule, page number 12. S4 revolt of 1857, page number 13. Let us complete this. Now take out your workbook, page number 12. Children, now turn to page number 12 and 13. Today we will do S3, impact of British rule. Write today's date 28/10/2020. And see S4 will do, write today's date, revolt of 1857. Write today's date 28/10/2020. We'll do S3 and S4 today. See, write the problem that were faced by each group of people during the British rule. Who are they? They are farmers. What you can see a picture of farmer. What you can see here? She is a weaver who will weave the clothes. Children, this you should write from your reader about farmer and weaver. How they have trouble. It is there in your reader, page number 65. See, the British forced the cotton weaver of Surat and silk weavers of Bengal to sell their products to British merchant as very low price. If they disobey the British, they were beaten up and sent in the jail. You can write like this, see children. The British forced children. The farmers of West Bengal to grow indigo instead of wheat and rice and sell it to them at cheap price. Next you can write like this. The British forced the cotton weavers of Surat and silk weavers of Bengal to sell their products to British merchant at very low price. Write this one, see children. The British, okay beta, the British forced the farmers. Here you should write force. Can you all see beta? It is there in your reader also beta, there. It is there in your reader. You can write beta. Next. If the people of a country are unhappy, what do you think it can lead to? It can lead to revolt. People will fight against the British ruler. Against the British ruler. Next one. What similarity can you find between Indians during British rule and people in Jhala that you read above early? In both, people don't have any freedom. In both, people don't have any freedom, children. No? So complete this S3. Now turn to S4. See children, S4. Name some leaders of revolt 1854. Children, you know who are the leaders of 1854. Who are the leaders, children? We have seen here. There are some leaders of 1850, revolt of 1854, children. Who are they? See, leaders of revolt 1854. Nana Sahib, Tatya Tope and Rani Lakshmi Bai. You should write here. Okay. Understood, children? You should write who are the leaders. Who are the leaders? Here you should write. What you will write? Nana Sahib, Tatya Tope and Rani Lakshmi Bai. You will write here. What do the picture tell us about the revolt of 1857? Sipais fight with British soldiers looting See children, in the second picture, you should see the picture and write here children. First picture, you can see that Indians are, Sipais fight with the British. Indian Sipais are fighting with the British. Next, what you can see here, children? See, children, what Sipais are taking away. See, British soldiers looting Quaisar Bagh, Lucknow, after its revolt in 1857. British people are taking away the Indian goods. Okay. Next, by seeing this picture, you should write here. How will write? The picture tell us, see, the picture tell us that the people were unhappy with the British rise and their rule. So the Indian revolted against the British. What you'll understand, you should write in your own words, beta, this. Okay, the next what you, they are taking away the weapons, okay, to fight and kill the people. See, children, you can write like this. The picture tells us that people were unhappy with the British rule and their loss against the British in a revolt. They use arms and weapons. The British, however, took and killed many Indians. The British also looted many rich places of Indian kings and queens. You can write like this, children, answer. Okay, see next one. What were the changes in India after the revolt of 1857? India came under the rule, and you should write like this. India came under the rule of Queen Victoria. That was the change, children, after the revolt. Okay, came and so this you should write here, children. Understood, beta? So, children, understood no, beta, how to write S3 and S4? Complete this, beta. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day, beta.